काजल एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल फॉर्म है मार्शल आर्ट्स का जो साउथ इंडिया से शुरू हुआ था, केरला से शुरू हुआ था कलारी को वो कंजर्व कर रही हैं, जो खत्म हो रही है कहीं ना कहीं उसे आगे लेके जा रही हैं, लोगों को कनेक्ट कर रही हैं एंड आई थिंक दिस इज एंड दिस इज वेयर इट कनेक्ट्स विद यूवी आल्सो वी रियली वांट टू ब्रिंग पीपल वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो एक्चुअली रूट्स के साथ जुड़कर इंडियन के जो इंडिया के जितने भी पुराने ट्रेडिशंस हैं जो स्पोर्ट्स हैं मार्शल आर्ट फॉर्म्स हैं उनको कंजर्व कर रहे हैं उनको आगे लेके जा रहे हैं सो आई विल वांट काजल टू इंट्रोड्यूस हरसेल्फ आई विल वांट काजल कि वो अपने आप को अपने बारे में अपने इस आर्ट फॉर्म के बारे में आप सबको बताएं.
Yes, Kajal. So I would want to tell, I would want you to tell my viewers कि कलारी क्या है और आप कैसे इसमें आई.
Okay. I'm Kajal. I'm a practitioner and educationist of Kalari Payat under Gurukul Shinto Matthew.
Okay.
He's from Kerala, but he's spreading Kalari Payat in Delhi since the last 25 years.
Wow.
So I'm a senior practitioner under him, and I have completed stage 3 of Kalari, which is metallic weapons. Okay. So and then I started my own initiative called as Tavasi, which is based on social and emotional empowerment by the means of Kalari Payat.
Wow.
So I work on that, and then last year I launched my own sportswear brand called as Swadesi. So this is me.
This is you. So how did you get to know about this art? A lot of times they're sitting at home, Kajal, हमें नहीं पता होता. तो जिमिंग है, मेडिटेशन है, एनर्जी हीलिंग है. आप कलारी में कैसे आई, क्यों आई? आई वांट यू टू टेल अस कि कैसी रही है आपकी जर्नी, कैसे आपको पता चला इस आर्ट फॉर्म के बारे में.
Okay. तो after college I started preparing for UPSC.
Okay.
So I have prepared for UPSC for long 7 years. मैं पूरे 7 साल के लिए कमरे में बंद थी और मैंने लगातार पढ़ाई की है and I failed in all the attempts. So after my 4th failure, it took a toll on me and I started getting depressed. Because I had to attempt further.
Yeah.
मुझे और attempts देने का मन था and I was very sure, my teachers were very sure that I'm going to crack this exam. So that's why I wanted to continue doing it, but अंदर से हिम्मत नहीं बची थी because बहुत ज़्यादा अपने ऊपर self worth issues आ जाते हैं.
Correct.
क्योंकि when you are giving good mock exams but real exam you're failing again and again, and then there is so much of society pressure that why her parents are allowing a woman to waste her prime age time in preparing for an exam which she is failing continuously. So there was a lot of social pressure, then financial issues, a lot of things were happening. Then my best friends told me to start any activity which will take you away from this depression for some time at least.
Basically energy channelize करने के लिए.
Yes, correct. So then since my childhood I knew about Kalari Payat, that Kalari Payat there is a martial art in India which teaches latbazi, like lathi, and I was like from the movie Virasat I was into this fighting scene, like I wanted to learn lathi since at the time I saw Virasat first time. So then I searched and then in UPSC only there is a topic called as Kalari Payat. Because it is a traditional sports of India.
Yeah.
And that's when I got to know about Kalari Payat, and that's when I searched and I found that there is only one traditional Gurukulam of Kalari Payat in Delhi.
Which is in Noida.
Which is also in Noida. We have 3 branches.
Achha, so you have in Noida, you have in Delhi.
2 Delhi branches, CP and Mayur Vihar, and then 1 in Noida.
Right.
So that's how I found out about it, and I was like, it's like I am made for this. Like it's calling me. It's a miracle that I found my martial art, which is from Kerala, in Noida itself. That's what I felt that this art is also calling me. So that's why I decided to go for this martial art and I started practicing. Within practicing for like 3-4 months, I was completely transformed. I was a different person. Actually, during the UPSC preparation, I had thyroid issues, I had PCOD, obesity, sleeplessness. All of those were problems. 3 months mein, I reversed my thyroidism.
Wow.
And PCOD.
Wow.
And I was shocked that without medicine, if an art form can do so much to a person, then what would be the power of this martial art when it was in its prime time? And that's when I decided that I wanted to work for this martial art itself. And I kept on giving my attempts, but I was too much into Kalari. I got too involved. And it is such a spiritual process, and I started getting so happy about it and feeling confidence. My confidence was coming back. Everything was getting so, it's a different experience altogether. It's a very spiritual, because I've always felt it that even if you have a fitness activity, you will have consistency only and only if it speaks to your soul.
Correct.
This is what I have always felt.
Correct.
And that is why people lose consistency in their fitness activity.
Yeah.
They'll join many places, but they'll keep on leaving, because these are the questions which I get from my people who I follow, people who follow me on Instagram, that how do I get consistent? How do I get, this is the answer. Find an art, find an activity which is also speaking to your soul.
Yeah.
That's why. When then last thing that happened with me, which also last failure happened, and I couldn't clear the exam, and the whole world started behaving like me that I am something gone case. I'm a gone case. I cannot do anything now. Oh, she failed. She's a failure. Everybody thinks society is a very bad place to make you feel like they will not.
Yeah, वो actually ना वो आपको push करती है आपके buttons को.
हाँ, तो बहुत ज़्यादा button push कर दिया कुछ.
तो हाँ, so unless they get pushed, unless आपको कोई आके knock करेगा, आप कैसे काम करोगे ना अपने आप पे?
Exactly, that is also very true. So
yeah.
Everybody is just, सबने डिक्लेयर कर दिया कि अब तो इसका, क्योंकि because she is now so old also, अब तो इसकी शादी कर देनी चाहिए.
How old were you, by the way, if you don't mind?
Yes, when I gave my last attempt, I was 28 years old. Now I'm 31. So I was 28 years old at that time. So that is like already शादी वाली उम्र ये वो सब निकल गई. But what was the changing point? What was the transformation point for me was when everybody believed that now I am a failure and nothing will happen. I somehow didn't feel like it. I couldn't understand that what is so wrong about failing. And where am I getting this strength from? When everybody wants me to cry, feel bad about it, sulk and go and get married, why am I not agreeing to it? What is this strength I'm feeling inside myself? And there were many people along with me who were totally devastated.
Of course.
But I wasn't. And I was not understanding कहाँ से आ रही है शक्ति मुझ पे? इतनी शक्ति कहाँ से आ रही है? मैं हूँ भी नहीं इतनी strong. And then I got the answer. It is Kalaripayattu.
It is Kalaripayattu.
उसी समय मैंने एक कागज उठाया and I wrote TAVASI तवसी and उसके पीछे लिखा courage to be free.
Wow.
And that's when I started my movement Tavasi.
So Tavasi is a brand.
It's a movement.
It's a movement.
It's an initiative to spread social empowerment, emotional empowerment, to go beyond the social conditioning of the world, and just to have the courage to be you, just to have the courage to love yourself, to be to live a life without any guilt, to live the life on your terms. And I make my students do that through the medium of Kalaripayattu. Because Kalaripayattu is an art of battlefield. So it doesn't prepare fighters, it prepares warriors. So that is why I started giving those kind of workshops and training. And then
so this is only for, so since how, I mean, what is the age group for this art form?
Minimum age with which I take is 6 years and maximum is 90, 80.
Also, I think so all the kids who have this energy with them, you know, they are very, very energetic and, you know, they have this, especially boys and especially girls are very hyperactive. So this is the form that, one of the forms that can help them channelize.
Absolutely. Kalaripayattu was made for this, because Kalaripayattu initially was started by the kids at the age of 4-5 only when it was started. So it's a training of a lifetime, because it's a way of life. It's not any training, it's a way of life. So that's why it is about bringing the energy of any kid to the equilibrium level. Hyperactive kids will tone down, too dull kids will become up. So it's about bringing your energy levels to the equilibrium.
So basically a balancing of
energy.
And I also see
it is adults.
Yes, I also see it as balancing yin and yang.
Yes.
And you know, because you are nurturing yourself.
Yes.
You're working with energy.
Totally.
So आप शिव को भी कर रहे हो, आप शक्ति को भी कर रहे हो, आप दोनों को लेकर आ रहे हो.
Absolutely. Correct.
Yes.
Just the explanation of Kalari.
Yes.
This is what Kalari does.
Because I
it
could
is such
see
an
this.
internal, it is such an internal art. The moment, so it's this whole art form is based on animals. So you actually channelize the animal inside you, like a gaja, the simha, the ashva, horse. So when you channelize these animals, you understand what the character they have, the sthirita they carry within themselves, the spurti they carry within themselves. And when you are channelizing these portions in your body, you become hyper self-aware. Every portion of your body you can feel which part is tingling, which is not working. My fingers are engaged, my fingers are not engaged. my thumb is out, my eyes are not okay, everything. You become so self-aware.
Yeah, and just start living in awareness.
Yes.
And living in awareness भी तो spirituality ही है ना.
Correct.
मतलब जरूरी नहीं है, like I always say, building spiritual stamina doesn't only require one modality or two modalities. बहुत सारे different modalities हैं. Like Kajal so correctly said that आपकी soul से वो आवाज आनी चाहिए. And which is why this platform is कि आपको different forms पता हो, different modalities पता हो, कि हम एक loop में ना फंसे, हम different चीजें experience करें, फिर अपने soul के साथ बैठे और जानिए कि what gives you शक्ति. क्योंकि like I always say, जब औरत अपनी शक्ति के साथ connect करती है, and शक्ति is not only feminine. When she nurtures herself, she also knows how is she also taking care of herself, how is she also providing for herself, कैसे वो यिन और यांग को, कैसे वो बैलेंस करेगी दोनों को. और जब वो शिव शक्ति अंदर से आती है तो पूरा परिवार खुश रहता है. आई ऑलवेज से दिस, अगर आप अपनी घर की किसी और का काम नहीं है घर की औरत को खुश रखना. आई थिंक इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि घर की औरत को पता हो कि मुझे क्या खुशी दे रही है. एंड व्हेन एवरीबडी नोज अराउंड हर, and they will start working on themselves na, कि if this is what brings my mama, my sister, my daughter, my daughter-in-law happy, so be it.
Yes, absolutely.
So okay, so this is about your Kalari, and I want to know about, you talked about the moment, about this clothing, but कहीं से तो एक सीड आया होगा ना, आपने एकदम से तो नहीं खोल दिया होगा कि I need to open the clothes का brand, and जो एक traditional, कहाँ से आया वो चीज?
After practicing Kalari for long hours, because I'm teaching a lot of students from morning to evening, so I have to wear the workout clothes for the whole day. And then 2 years back, in the summers, I got one big rash on my shin area, in this area, and it was a very weird rash which was not healing from anything. So I went to the dermatologist, and my dermatologist told me that what kind of clothes do you wear for the full day? I gave them my clothes, and they said that it is chemical, it is synthetic, it is spandex, it's not naturally made. So he said that sweating continuously and the chemically made clothes combine, they react with the sweat of your body, and that leads to the problems like this, that leads to infections, eczema, skin issues like this,
itching, and
itching, rashes, proper fungal infections. There are various types of eczema, skin rashes that start happening. Then I started doing a lot of research about like what other sports persons are talking about, how many people are actually talking about skin rashes due to wearing synthetic fabrics, and all of these I started working, and then I found out that that skin is a living organ, and we should only feed the clothes which are conducive for the skin, and that depends upon the climatic conditions of the place where you are practicing your fitness activity. And that's why I understood that in the ancient times, you'd pick up any martial art, you pick up any sports. Yoga was practiced in dhoti, Kalari was practiced in sari,
absolutely,
Gatka was also practiced in dhoti of a sort, Thangta was also, every martial art which is beyond thousands of years, they all used cotton, suti kapda. It's not because other materials were not available, but it is because it is breathable, and it is natural, and it's also not harsh on the
climate. अगर आप
पुराने
ज़माने में देखो तो पहले तो लोग कॉटन ही पहनते थे, खादी
कॉटन लिनन और बहुत सारे
बट दे प्रेफर्ड कि अगर आपको हार्डकोर काम करना है, अगर आप बाहर जाके काम कर रहे हो, स्वेट आ रहा है, आप फार्म में काम कर रहे हो, तो पीपल यूज्ड टू वेयर
सूती
पहनते थे,
क्योंकि उससे वो उनकी बॉडी का टेम्परेचर इक्विलिब्रियम
इट इज ओनली जो अभी हमारे जो वेस्टर्न, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि वेस्टर्न जो ये कल्चर आ गया है और जो हम फैशन की तरफ बढ़ गए हैं, हम कहीं ना कहीं भूल चुके हैं कि हम क्या हैं, हम कौन हैं. एंड यू डूइंग अ वंडरफुल जॉब काजल. आई थिंक अपनी इन ट्रेडिशंस को रखना और उनको कंजर्व करके रखना बहुत बड़ी एक चीज है. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर. एंड वन मैसेज आई वुड लाइक फ्रॉम यू टू ऑल द लेडीज हु आर लिसनिंग, नॉट ओनली लेडीज, आई वुड से यंग बॉयज, यंग यूथ, चिल्ड्रन, individuals, उनको आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? Since you've gone through so much, आपके अंदर एक शक्ति आई, like you said, since it's a हर घर शक्ति series, and since हम नवरात्रों में ये रिलीज करेंगे और it is all about balancing the शिव शक्ति, तो जो भी आज आपको देख रहा है वो बहुत कभी कुछ ऐसे लोग हो सकते हैं जो they're going through suffering, they're going through pain. What is your message to them?
लड़कियों से तो मुझे ये कहना है, क्योंकि शक्ति तो हमेशा से शक्ति ही है, लेकिन हर जमाने में ना शक्ति का काम अलग हो जाता है। अगर मैं आज के जमाने के हिसाब से बात करूं तो मैंने ये नोटिस किया है कि जो लड़कियां हैं वो ये सोच रही हैं कि शक्ति ये है कि हाउ टू कम्पीट विद मेन टुडे। पर मेरा आपको ये मैसेज है कि शक्ति का मतलब कंपटीशन विद मेन नहीं है। शक्ति का मतलब है अपनी फेमिनिटी को एम्ब्रेस करना, अपनी ओरिजिनल फेमिनिन साइड और मैस्कुलिन साइड दोनों को ही एक्सप्लोर करना, समझना। और कंपटीशन कभी भी नहीं था, हम दोनों का ही एक अलग अलग काम है, अलग तरीके से करना। सो इफ यू वांट टू डू एनीथिंग, डू इट लाइक अ वुमन, fight like a woman, talk like a woman, work like a woman. Don't try to channelize too much of a masculine energy और femininity को अगर आप बहुत छुपाओगे तो आप अपने authentic self रह ही नहीं पाओगे, और आप अपने अंदर की authentic औरत को कभी भी नहीं पा पाओगे। So my message to you is start getting comfortable in your own skin, understand yourself, see what you are. जबरदस्ती में कुछ और बनने की कोशिश बिल्कुल भी नहीं करनी चाहिए, और ये एक जर्नी है। ये जर्नी होती है अपने आप को पाने की, समझने की। तो मैं अपनी हर औरत से यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि
ब्यूटीफुल
अंडरस्टैंड अपनी फेमिनिटी को जानना बहुत जरूरी है। वो इतनी पावरफुल है, उसमें इतनी शक्ति है कि आपको खुद लगेगा कि मैं अपने आप को क्या अंडर एस्टिमेट करके बैठी थी, ठीक है। और दूसरी चीज मुझे जो हर किसी से कहनी है वो ये कहनी है कि आप बस मेहनत करने से मत डरो। जिस भी रास्ते पे आप निकले हो, इफ यू हैव द पावर, इफ यू हैव द करेज to keep walking, even if you're going through hell, it is my promise to you, you will reach a place which might not be what you want, but it will definitely be a place where you are wanted the most. आप कभी ना कभी अपने सही पाथ पे पहुंच जाओगे, चाहे nobody will believe in your vision, कोई भी आप में बिलीव नहीं करेगा, सब कहेंगे कि सेकंड चांसेस नहीं होती, पर चांसेस उतनी है जितनी आप चाहें। मैंने एक मूवी देखी थी जिसमें एक बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस है कि चांस हमेशा सेकंड लास्ट होती है, यानी कि आपकी लास्ट चांस कभी नहीं आएगी। प्लीज कीप ऑन मूविंग, चलते रहो, ट्राई करते रहो, रुकना नहीं है, हताश नहीं होना है। इवन इफ यू आर द ओनली पर्सन हु बिलीव्स इन योर विजन, कीप गोइंग बिकॉज इट इज अ पावरफुल विजन। उसी पे एक्ट करो एंड देन द वर्ल्ड विल फॉलो यू।
ब्यूटीफुल, आई थिंक शी हैज सेड इट ऑल। मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कई बार इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे I have started manifesting people who are like-minded and अपने आप divine connect करते हैं, अपने आप वो बताते हैं, and you are walking your talk. I see that, Kajal, and you've completely said it all. So I think I would want you to watch this entire series, share this with all your friends and family. I'm sure अगर ये कहीं ना कहीं किसी के दिल के साथ connect करे, उसको connect करे, you never know who needs this today and who kind of जिनका दिन बन जाए probably. So thank you so much for watching us. Please share this video with all your friends and family. Spread love, spread light, and stay connected to the Shiv Shakti within. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for calling.